Hey, babe. Hi, guys. Today I'm doing nothing. I'm just.
She has a bloody nose. Right now she has a bloody nose.
Logan has a bloody nose.
Yep. Now she doesn't because
No, he.
he has a bloody nose, but now he doesn't.
Okay, so
Because
we're gonna tell you about something about us.
We're
not in comment. We're not even in comment.
Yeah, we're not.
He's crazy. I'm smart. He's smart. I'm crazy. I'm crazy as heck.
Yep. He's crazy as heck. Dude.
Me and Mikey hate each other.
We hate each other.
Just sometimes we love each other.
Yeah, sometimes we love each other.
But
She was little babysitter.
her, Lily,
Yeah.
keeps on bothering us when it's our bedtime. She's like, go to bed. It's our house. Nobody can kick us out of our house. Like, who said it was even her house?
Yeah. Nobody. It's not her house. It's ours.